What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy Note 10. I have this phone right here guys. This is an amazing phone. The problem is that this phone is locked to AT&T and I use T-Mobile. So I'm going to show you how to do a carrier unlock. I'm going to do it together with you step by step. Now I have unlocked more than 100 phones using this method and it works perfectly. We have to keep in mind that this is not free, so we will have to pay something to unlock this Galaxy Note 10, but this is the best way to get your phone unlocked. You only need your computer, your smartphone, and you need a SIM card from a different carrier. And that's all you need, and without further ado, let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is to get your phone's IMEI number. To do that, simply dial *#06#. And as you will see, your 15-digit number will show up in the screen of your phone. We're going to use only the first 15 digits of the IMEI number. This is very, very important. Okay, so the next step is to go to the computer. So I'm just going to put my phone aside and we're going to switch to the computer. Alright guys, so the next step is to go to the website unlockpanda.com. In this website, we will request the unlock code to unlock this phone. So first off, we have to start by selecting the original carrier that your phone is locked to. In this case, my phone is locked to AT&T in the United States. Then we're going to select the brand. I'm going to select Samsung, and then you have to select the exact model. Here we will select for Galaxy Note 10. You have a premium service and a normal service. The difference is the delivery time. One is faster than the other. And then we're going to insert the IMEI number. So we're going to go ahead and insert it here. That's the number we got a few seconds ago. And lastly, we're going to insert the email where you want to receive your unlock code. So make sure it is 100% correct. If you scroll down, you're going to see a price to unlock your phone and the average delivery time. Keep in mind that this is in business days, so you have to be very patient. And then we're going to hit unlock now. On the following screen, you're going to see a summary of your order. So just double check everything, make sure it is 100% correct. Don't worry, everything is 100% safe. As I said before, I have unlocked more than 50 phones using this method and it works perfectly. And if in case it doesn't work for you, you're going to get a full refund and your order is going to be refunded. So it's completely safe. Scroll down and we're going to place the order. Now you have to keep in mind that it's going to take a few days in order to get the unlock code. So I'm just going to go ahead and come back once I have gotten my unlock code. Alright, so if you successfully did everything, you will receive an unlock code in your email and it's going to look something like this. So this is my personal email account. I'm going to open the last email. And as you can see here, I have an unlock code from Unlock Panda. It says your Samsung unlock code is ready. If you scroll down, you're going to see that it includes an actual unlock code. And this right here is the most important part. This code right here will only work for one specific phone and it's calculated based on your unique IMEI number. So we're going to go ahead and insert this unlock code into the phone. So next, we're going to have to power off the phone. So we're just going to hit here and select power off. Once the phone is fully off, we're going to insert a non-supported SIM card. For example, my phone is locked to AT&T in the United States. I'm going to use a SIM card from a different carrier. In this case, I'm going to use a T-Mobile SIM card. So I'm just going to go ahead and insert my T-Mobile SIM card into my AT&T smartphone. And then we're going to power on the phone. It's going to take a few seconds, and once the phone is fully on, it will request an unlock code in order to use it with other carriers. You only need to insert this unlock code once, and your phone will be unlocked permanently. Keep in mind that this unlock code will only work one time for one specific phone. So as you can see here, I got this message requesting the unlock code, and we have 1 out of 10 attempts to insert the correct unlock code. So we're going to go ahead and insert the code right here. By the way, if you get an incorrect unlock code, you can just email them and they will send you the correct code. We're going to go ahead and hit unlock. SIM network unlock successful. Boom, the phone is now fully factory unlocked and ready to be used with any carrier. As you can see here guys, my phone is from AT&T and it's fully running on a T-Mobile SIM card. And it is a permanent unlocked, so you can now restore your phone, you can update, you can do whatever you want with your phone, and your Galaxy Note 10 will always remain unlocked and compatible in the whole world. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, just leave them on the comment section down below and we will try to answer them as quick as possible. Thanks so much. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.